Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to pay with Klarna on AliExpress. So you can pay on AliExpress with Klarna, but it's only available in certain countries. So add items to your cart, and when you're ready to check out, tap checkout button, and first of all make sure that your delivery address is correct, and if anything is not correct with it, you can edit it by tapping edit button, or you can simply add a new address. Make sure that it is correct, because if it's not correct, then you will simply not receive your item. Okay, so let's scroll down to payment method section, and you have to select Klarna here. Depending on your region, Klarna may let you split the payment into installments, or you can pay later for it. So when you chose Klarna, you will be redirected to their page to log in or simply create an account if you don't have your account yet. So confirm the payment plan that works for you, then complete the checkout, and you will have to return to AliExpress with your order confirmed. So that's how you can pay on AliExpress with Klarna. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.